Did you know? In industries like water treatment, chemicals, food, and pharmaceuticals, precise liquid flow measurement is crucial. And this task relies on liquid flow meters. A liquid flow meter is an instrument used to measure the flow rate of liquids in pipelines or open channels. Whether it's tap water, wastewater, or chemical solutions, it provides accurate monitoring to ensure production safety and efficiency. Based on working principles, liquid flow meters can be categorized into several types. Electromagnetic flow meter using the principle of electromagnetic induction. It is suitable for conductive liquids such as wastewater and acidic or alkaline solutions. Ultrasonic flow meter. It measures flow speed by detecting ultrasonic wave propagation time differences, making it ideal for non-contact measurement without cutting the pipeline. Turbine flow meter measures flow rate by utilizing liquid flow to rotate turbine blades. It is commonly used for clean, low-viscosity liquids. Mass flow meter. It directly measures the mass flow of a liquid with high precision, making it suitable for fine chemical and pharmaceutical applications. How to choose the right liquid flow meter. When selecting a flow meter, consider these factors. Is the liquid conductive or non-conductive? Does it contain particles? How precise does your application require? Is external clamp-on, insertion, or inline installation more suitable? Does the meter require regular calibration and servicing? Liquid flow meters are widely used in industrial production, municipal water supply, environmental monitoring, food industry. Want to learn more about liquid flow meters? Visit Apure's official website for professional solutions. Don't forget to like, follow, and stay tuned for more.